Hey everyone, Leo with Dreaming Tree. I have a special guest here with me today. That's Mr. Peyton in the background. He's going to be joining me. He may or may not help out, not sure. But we have a great little piece here to complement our latest Love Mom bundle. It's a little purse-shaped gift card holder. Okay, so I've got all my pieces cut out here, and here is the main part of it. We're going to take and make sure to fold everything in like so. I use the solid scoreline version of this. Okay, and inside we have these two pieces, one that has these little notches cut out, and this is where the gift card's going to go. So we can actually start gluing this into place. Let's just get the big panels out of the way. Okay, and I thought I made sure that my glue was flowing. How's it going there, bud? Are you going to be a big star one day? Okay, just make sure that you do not put any glue on those little notches that are cut out. Okay. And you can put this piece with the notches up at the top or at the bottom. I'm going to put them at the top. Just make sure that you have a nice even border all the way around as you put it down into place. Are you being a good boy? He's such a chill baby. Okay, and I'm going to grab, here, what's this? Here, play with that. Here's your little thing. I'm going to grab this little spatula just to make sure that my little tabs are up, okay? There we go, and we'll do the same thing for the piece on the bottom. You're not ready for glue, mister. Just another month. He just turned 5 months the other day, and can't wait to start feeding him real food. When Liesl and I make bacon in the morning with eggs, he's always trying to get at our plate like a little ravenous beast. All right, so we got that piece in place. These are just going to go in like this and like that. And then we have these two panels that are going to go on the outside. Now, with this black pattern, I took some black ink actually and blended it a little bit. It's hardly noticeable, but this is a white core paper, and it pretty much took care of the white that was showing through around the outside. Okay, so just make sure that as you place this down, you have a nice even border all the way around again. There we go. And then we'll do the same thing on the back here. How's it going there, Bister? Are you okay? Where's your thing? Dropped it again? Here you go. See if he can sit through this video. That'd be awesome. He's, like I said, he pretty much entertains himself. Not that we ignore him. That sounded horrible. Are you getting squirmy? Okay. All right. He's eating embossing folders now. All right. So we've got both of those in place. Oh, there goes one. And next, what we're going to do is we're going to put this little handle together. There's two sides to it. I did take some time and inked the peony color. So we'll take and glue the pink to the black. It's going to cover pretty much all of it, minus there's this little section that has little score marks, and that's what we're going to use to tether this thing and tie it into the actual handbag. Okay, so that's just going to go on just like that. And you'll notice here, if it helps you, you can take and, okay. You can take and fold at the little score marks there. Okay, and do the same thing with the other one. I've got my texture side out. And just line that up nicely. Hey, bud. Everything all right over there, huh? Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll take and glue these back to back. So flip one over and apply some glue to the inside, and then just match that up as accurately as you can. Just do not put any glue on the little tabs just yet, because we're going to use those to glue it to the actual structure itself. Okay. All right, so now what we can do is we can take this and slide these little tabs through Okay, and what we'll do is take and actually, you know what, I should have glued these two together. There's two ways of doing it. You could technically spread them apart and glue one down underneath this, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to glue it up here. So we do need to actually glue these two sections together right there, and basically gluing the entire handle to itself, including the little tabs. So now what we can do is apply glue to the tabs and fold them up against the inside, and then you can just press that down, just like that. Hey, dude. I know you're falling out. You're falling out of this chair. Don't do that. Here. Here you go. Where's your little thingy? There it is. There you go. There you go. Okay, so that looks great. And now on the inside, we've got this little piece here, and that's going to cover this up and hide it, hide those little tabs. Okay, so what we need to do here is just apply glue to this entire little flap, including this little oval area here. Okay, just like that. And I just recently discovered his ability to make fart sounds, and we actually call him Billy Beans. I'm sure most kids are relatively gassy at that age, but it's just funny. And then I discovered through my other kid that Billy Beans was not a very good baseball player that played for the Minnesota Twins, so hopefully he doesn't follow in his footsteps. Okay, next we're going to take and apply this piece to the face of the flap. Are you getting bored? Are you getting bored? You're being a good boy. Okay. And for those of you that are in the Dreaming Tree group, I did make a post the other day saying that we decided that Liesl is actually going to stay home. She's a nurse and she works overnights, and we are like zombies lately. And he's not even that difficult. It's just, you know, we're kind of on his schedule and got a lot going on. It makes it a little difficult. Okay, so as you can see here, it's going to close like that. Looks awesome. And then we're going to use a little Velcro dot to keep it closed. But before we do that, we also have this little gold trim element that I actually ran through an embossing machine. I don't remember which embossing folder this was. This may have been a Leah Griffith one, maybe? But the gold trim on the black looks fantastic. We'll get that in place. Okay. Oh, yeah? Okay. All right. We also have included a little tag. You can write someone's name on here if you'd like. And that's going to go on this little guy here. Just center that. And, you know, get some nice little string or some braid, whatever you want to use. How you doing, mister? He's a sweet boy. Okay. Just with a little bit of string, you can tie that to the handle. Let's not forget the little butterfly. There are a series of little score marks right down the center of the body. You can fold the wings up a little bit, and then he's just going to go right in the center there, like so. You can adorn him with some little rhinestones if you want. Look, what do you think? Hey, you like this? Is that cool? Do you want it? Here you go. It's like, nope, no thanks. And finally, we have a little flower. And what you can do is just take this and just kind of, actually, you know what? I'm going to curl this up a little bit. If I can get a hold of a dowel here. Just take it and place the petal of the flower between your finger and the petal and just curl it towards you. Give it a little bit of life. Okay, that's the larger one. And we have a little smaller one. It's going to go on the inside. Okay, just like that. We'll take the smaller one, place a little dot of glue right in the center of the middle on the back side, and place it right on top of the larger set of petals right in the middle. Okay. How you doing, mister? Sorry about that. And you can just put this little flower just right up here. Don't forget to get out your bling and throw a little pearl or a rhinestone in the center of the flower, one little dot of glue on the back of that. I also inked this with a little bit of pink. And I'll just pop that right there. Press that down with my dowel. There we go. You can flare these up a little bit. And it is ready to go. So that is going to do it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please take a moment and visit us on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button. While you're there, hit the little bell so you get notifications anytime we release a new product, whether it be paid or free. And if you make this or anything from our latest bundle, the Love Mom bundle, I'd love to see it, and so would the rest of our community. So head over to your Facebook and do a search for Dreaming Tree Official. That's where you'll find myself and over 40,000 other dreamers that inspire us daily. As always, I look forward to crafting with you again. Hey, thanks for crafting along with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, check out some of our other videos, and also please consider hitting that subscribe button. And don't forget to visit our site and check out our free SVG section, where we have over 140 free SVG files complete with assembly videos. I look forward to crafting with you soon.